In this video, we're going to look at 5 creative compost bins that people have made with empty conduit and maker pipe connectors. And there's some really cool ideas, really clever hacks and different things that we're going to highlight. And if you're unfamiliar with the empty conduit and maker pipe connectors, you can combine those together with simple hand tools, just a simple rotating pipe and tube cutter for cutting conduit, and then a 5mm hex wrench for assembling the maker pipe connectors. And you can build just about anything, including compost bins. And that's what we're going to look at. This first one comes from Paul, and this is really creative. Essentially, he turned a rain barrel into a compost bin, as we can see here. And they used empty conduit and connectors to achieve this. Essentially, they built this frame that attaches to this wall here that has some 2x4s. And essentially, they've just used some of the maker pipe flanges, just grabbing onto the 2x4. And that extended some pieces of conduit coming off of the wall. And then here at the bottom, we've got a maker pipe adjustable angle flange. And that is grabbing onto another 2x4, as we can see down here. And that is sitting a piece of conduit up here to the top to meet this other piece of conduit that's coming out from the wall from that flange that I mentioned. And then essentially just using a couple more connectors. You've got a T connector there, and then it looks like an adjustable angle connector right behind it just to add that angled piece, but essentially just making this triangular frame. And then they bolted some casters to the frame. It looks like using a U-bolt that goes around and then goes through the flat plate of the casters. And then essentially those two casters are spaced apart so this rain barrel can sit on top of it, as we can see in this first photo. And then they used a piece of wood attached to the bottom of the barrel with a couple more flanges and a couple T connectors and pieces of conduit sticking off. And essentially they can grab onto that and rotate it around. They even added a door to this barrel so they can get inside and get to the compost that they're rotating inside of there. And just a really creative build, really creative use of materials, and just a great idea that will hopefully get some wheels turning in your head with some inspiration. And so really cool, Paul. Thanks so much for sharing it. Next up is a really simple compost bin from Josh from Two Tool Designs. I'll link his social media down below. Definitely check out his creative projects. He's done all kinds of cool stuff with conduit and connectors for his garden and for his kind of backyard workshop that he has with a storage container. Really awesome. But here recently he made a compost bin that we can see where essentially it's just 8 90-degree connectors, really simple. He made this one out of 1-inch empty conduit, and we can see where he's got the self-drilling screws going through the material that he's securing to the outside of the frame, which is really creative and something I don't think we've really seen too much. But you can see where the self-drilling screws are kind of going through the hardware cloth and through the mesh, and then that is going through the connector and into the empty conduit, which is why we have the holes in the 1-inch connector, so you're able to do that. But he kind of just took advantage of that hole and is adding that extra security for the connections that he's making, but then also attaching the hardware cloth at the exact same time, and pretty much just made this box that has an open bottom, it looks like, and then he can put all of the compost and scraps and different things on top of there, as we can see. And it's really cool. It's made out of steel, so it's going to hold up with all that stuff inside composting, which is really awesome. And I think why empty conduit connectors work really great for composting, because they're going to be long-lasting materials that you can use for this kind of thing, and have for multiple seasons, multiple years, and you can do some composting. So really cool. Thanks so much, Josh, for sharing this. Awesome job. Next up is a compost tumbler restoration from Deb, and we can see here in one of these photos where they had some of these compost tumblers made out of wood. Here you go. And they said that after some time, these began to decompose. And so they wanted to build a long-lasting frame out of empty conduit and connectors. And so essentially she just made these kind of triangle, mounts where you've got just the, T connector here at the bottom to connect the two between, from one side to the other. And then you've got this adjustable angle connector on the front and then on the back. And that's just sending a pipe up to the adjustable 180 up here in the middle. And then you've got a 180-degree connector here at the bottom. And all of those connections are working together to kind of make this triangle frame that is strong. And then you can see here where this piece of conduit runs through the barrel, and then from the T connector on this side to the T connector on the other side. And then it creates this tumbler for the compost, as we can see in these different photos. And it's really cool. And this was meant to be a restoration of, tumblers they already had. But if you wanted to recreate this, you could pretty much take the same design and do it and add these and, use some rain barrels like we just saw, or you can get some compost bins or containers, and then repurpose and rebuild a frame specifically for those containers that you pick up. So this is really cool, really awesome from Deb. Really glad you were able to take these decomposed and broken down compost and repurpose the barrels that you had and build these really cool tumblers. So awesome job. Thanks so much for sharing it. Next up is a frame for an urban worm bag from William, and this is really cool. We had never heard of urban worm bags before this was built and shared, but you can get those, and they actually sell a kit for a frame, and I think it's made out of metal, maybe plastic, but if you want to build a really sturdy and long-lasting frame, you can do that with conduit and connectors really easily, kind of similar to what we saw with that one from Josh, where it's just 8 90-degree connectors to build this cube, and then you've got the kind of the sleeve of the urban worm bag. It looks like it fits 3/4 inch EMT conduit perfectly, so those are just slid through on each side to hold that up and support it. And this is really cool because you could build this into a garden frame if you're building trellises or something, or if you have a patio and you've got a shade or something built in. You could kind of incorporate this into another EMT conduit structure, and you could take advantage of the fact that the conduit fits perfectly inside the kind of mount sleeve there. So that's really cool and a great idea from William. Definitely check out the urban worm bags and consider EMT conduit and connectors if you want to build a sturdy, long-lasting frame, or if you want to build it into a custom structure that you've got in mind. So really cool, William. Thanks so much for sharing it. Last but not least is a similar compost bin that we built and shared a while back. And this is very similar to the ones that we looked at just now for the urban worm bag, as well as the one earlier from Josh. But the only difference is this one is kind of made to support hardware cloth that's on the inside of the framework. And you can see there on the back side that the conduit is running through the connector, and so kind of just highlights what I was saying just now, where you can build the rest of your frame off of this, and you could incorporate compost bins into structures that you already have or that you might already have planned. But essentially you could just use 890s, pretty much build this rectangular box, and then you can use hardware cloth. Here we can see where we actually used a metal wire to go through the hardware cloth and secure that to the frame, and it's actually on the inside of the frame instead of on the outside like we saw from Josh. So you can take the simple design, you can customize it for different things. This is 3/4 inch. Josh's was made out of 1 inch, and it was bigger, which is probably why he used the 1 inch. This one is smaller but a bit taller, and so you can really customize and make custom compost bins with conduit connectors really easily, and you can make them for exactly your setup and for what you want, which is really cool. And so hopefully you got some ideas from these. They'll all be linked down below if you want to check any of them out in more detail. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.